is 4 in the morning, and you might be asking, why are you awake? Well, I'm going to England to my school, and I feel so fresh and ready to go. Yo, this is the skin of a killer, Bella.
So we have normal colors now. I do not like it.
I do.
We are not emo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm still 12. But yes.
Color nothing changed. Welcome to the vlog. We are in a boat, I don't know, in a something, and we are going to Cantenbury, which is exciting because Canterbury is really pretty, and I'm excited. But like, this is the second day of the trip, and it was really exhausting. The first day was like one of the worst days of this month, in my opinion, and now it's also very interesting because I only had like 3 hours of sleep, which is great. I've always had like a lot of sleep, but today it's not the day, and I couldn't find a spot to sleep, or I did, but it isn't really like I want to sleep on there, and I couldn't fall asleep, so it was fun. And now I just go with the flow, and I don't have any sleep in me, so that's exciting. But yeah, we are getting ready, doing our makeup, and waiting to be in Cantenbury, and I will show you there because it's very pretty. I saw some pictures. Also, I am really scared to vlog in front of people. So right now I'm vlogging because there isn't many people that I know. But once I'm where everybody else is, it's going to be a problem. So I'll probably do like a voiceover or something, or always tell you what I did each day. But it's kind of a struggle. But yeah, I am eating some bananas and chocolate, and you can really taste the bananas, so that's kind of flop, but whatever. We are at the spot. I will show you more, but it was exciting. Today was really exciting. We went to Canterbury, which was like so beautiful, and Leeds Castle. Like, that was like, I think the best castle that I've ever visited, especially the interior. That was beautiful. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for that. And now we are going to get some food because we need some. So yeah, I will show you around a little bit, slightly. Like, the spot we are staying in is so fancy, in my opinion. Like, the whole thing is so fancy, and like, England's supermarkets are really cute and aesthetic, and I would want to buy everything, but I cannot because I will not spend that much money. And yes, I do have lipstick on my upper lip. We were in somewhere, I don't know, and it wasn't that much fun as yesterday. It was kind of not my thing, and now we are waiting for the rest. We are getting ready, and I just wanted to show you what I bought because it's so cute. It's Kiko Milano, and it's unlimited double touch, and I got 108.
Kiko Milano.
And I don't know what the shade is named like, but it's very good.
This is better. We love Fenty Beauty.
That's true, but this is very beautiful too.
Everyone is beautiful and every lipstick is beautiful. No, not every lipstick, but most of them. Let's be positive about our lipsticks. My powder is everywhere, my loves. What am I supposed to do? Everything is white.
You are very good too. No, I'm just kidding. You're a very highlighter.
Well, I think I look kind of charged, but okay.
You look very beautiful. You have to be very confident.
Don't forget to moisturize your lips. We have to go to Szczepa, will go nuts. Hello, darling. Hello. We're in a restaurant.
We have some Coca-Cola.
And she stole my drink.
Did not.
Proč mi teď přišla nějaká liga proti...
Hello, I'm doing my makeup. What are you filming me?
And it's very lovely in here. And I also bought some rocks. Some rocks. Crystals, you mean? It's a rock anyway.
It's a crystal.
Look at my crystals. Rocks. It's a boulder. They are small boulders. Look at them. They're so happy together. And the woman was very lovely.
That's true. Very spiritual, very good shop. I will do a haul for you.
Welcome to stealing Ella. We stole Ella's phone.
Stop it. She's doing a vlog.
I am doing a haul, so I bought these sticks.
Sure. Positive vibes.
I don't know what it's called. Positive Vibes Incense. Smells really good. And then we have some rocks for my anxiety, nerves, and mental illness. Yeah. I have this one, this one, this one for love because I am lonely, and this one.
Hi YouTube channel. We're in England now.
Amazing!
That's a lot of
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
That's a lot of information. We just been in a maze and look, it was amazing. I have this.
This is a beautiful castle. Outfit check. Cocotier. So, what's your outfit and where's it from? Thrift shop. Also thrift shop. Big day from my aunt. Vintage. Beautiful. Now you. Fit check.
New balance.
Nie wiem. Berszka? Nie wiem.
Oh, bag.
Bag?
Bag.
Nie wiem.
Beautiful.
Visit. I had a t-shirt that's from, I don't know. This was my father's. This is from Pride. Thrift shop. Nie wiem. CCC. I made this myself.
Beautiful DIY.
DIY. These glasses are from Tiger.
Such a basic outfit.
It's beautiful. Show us.
Superstar, H&M, Pull&Bear, Zara, my dad, and my own beauty.
Beautiful.
Yes. And ladies and gentlemen, this is from very lovely lady from, what was the city?
Karma.
Canterbury.
From Canterbury, from I think I'm not pronouncing that right. From lovely shop called Karma. And it's
This is from my mom.
What do you have? Let's check.
okay. English show.
English.
Shoes. My friend. Nevím nic. Socks, vůbec netuším, I don't know. Pants from that lady. Hoodie from that lady again. Top, crop top, I don't know, from New Yorker or something like that. Don't care. Ring.
I don't see a ring on your finger.
From
Dollhouse.
From Dollhouse. Windsor. Yeah, glasses. My aunt. Stolen. Ring. A necklace from a nice lady. Bought it yesterday.
Girl.
Bought it.
Bought it.
Jewelry. My mum.
Mum? Who is your mum?
My mum is my mum. This is from Brandy Melville.
Oh, tote bag.
Oh, shut up.
From Tiger.
Shut up.
Shut
This
the
is from
fuck up. From Tiger. £3.
Brandy Melville. My friend. My friend. My mom. Myself. My friend.
I love your earrings. I want to own them.
A bit. Welcome to the vlog from London.
Welcome, babes.
We are in London and we are partying in Tower, at Tower, I don't know. Tower, just Tower.
Hi vlog. So we are finally without our teachers.
Yeah, for like an hour and a half, you know.
Hey,
On the lovely
I didn't want to vlog because I was very
sorry.
done with life. I wanted to cry, I wanted to scream, and I wanted to throw up. I didn't do any of these things and I'm fine now because I had food. So let's vlog. I feel amazing. We are going to Soho, then to Oxford Street, and then hopefully home.
It's 600 meters away, so it's really close right now.
And I have very high energy because she wanted to bite me and I wanted to bite her, and that gave me energy.
Biting. I'm so scared.
I am sorry for not vlogging really. I wanted to vlog the whole England trip, but unfortunately I'm only vlogging the last day. We were there for like 8 days. 8 days. And I didn't quite vlog it because I didn't enjoy it that much. So now vibes are high, energy is high, and I am finally vlogging London at least. So I hope you don't mind because that's what I'm doing. I love the Asian culture and also the cuisine.
I love it.
So
Yeah, that's the culture of my love. Yeah, exactly.
it's the icona. Well, I am excited and we will taste some foods. Hopefully. So we are going to the gay zone, I suppose.
Gay zone.
That was a joke. I am gay, so do not be worried. And now it doesn't feel like anything, but like I think it's going to be cute. My friend wants some coffee and lunch, and some other friends want also coffee. So we will just go do that in a bit.
Yeah.
Because there is Starbucks near. So we are going there. And this is very cool.
Not really.
We are in the Oxford Street. Somehow we just got here.
Yeah, because we love capitalism.
I have no idea.
How?
I just don't understand.
You know how we got here?
Because I wanted to go.
Bara and I.
Yeah, well the problem is that I don't understand I don't understand this area of London at all. It's so complicated and I don't understand. It's sorted by colors. How crazy.
I'm gonna cry.
I love it.